Let us talk about the story of a Seventh-day Adventist university in Democratic Republic of the Congo. This story happened at Adventist University of Lukanga entitled Land Bought Twice. It was a terrifying day at a Seventh-day Adventist university in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. On March 18, 2001, an armed group called the Mai, a militia composed of warlords and tribal elders controlling parts of the country, entered the campus. Their name comes from the word maji or mahi, means water, as they believed water could protect them from bullets. The Mai attacked the campus of the Adventist University of Lukanga in Lubero. They assaulted staff and students and captured 3 students. The students were taken to Nayarunzo Hill for interrogation and were accused of illegally occupying the land. In reality, the Adventist Church had owned the land for a long time. As early as 1965, the church had already established a school there, and it had been used continuously for many years. Although the university was newly established in 1999, its claim to the land was legitimate. During the interrogation, one of the armed men threatened to shoot the students. Suddenly, a heated argument broke out among the militants, causing confusion. At that moment, heavy rain began to pour. Because the Mai believed the water could protect them, they did not want to stay in the downpour, so they fled. Because of this, the 3 students were able to escape. To this day, many believe that God sent the rain to save them. But the story did not end there. Because of the incident and the accusations, descendants of former landowners began to claim the land. To avoid conflict and restore peace, in May 2001, the Seventh-day Adventist Church paid for the land again, even though it had already been purchased before. Thus, it can be said that the land was bought twice. In the same way, we belong to God twice. First, because He created us, and second, because He redeemed us through Christ, as what 1 Corinthians 6 verse 20 says. You can be part of the story of the Adventist University of Lukanga by giving to the 13th Sabbath offering. Currently, nursing students are using a small laboratory in the university clinic for their research. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will help build a new facility for the nursing school, which will include larger laboratories for 5 fields of study: general nursing, midwifery, imaging, laboratory techniques, and pediatrics. Thank you for your faithful and generous support for this important project.